Yo, what's up, guys? Did I remember to share it on Twitter? Sometimes I forget to share it on Twitter. Yo. No, it just broke. Oh, no, it's terrible. It's terrible. It broke, Scopies. I had a demo for you, but it broke. Gotta fix it. Give me a sec. One sec, Scopies. Stop changing days. I know, it's Scopie Friday today. Honestly, the real thing that I wanted to talk about is something I can't talk about, which is kind of terrible. So much goes on here, and I just can't talk about a lot of it. It's terrible. I can't talk about this. Oh yeah, I'm upstairs. I'm sitting in the upstairs. I'm working on Gray Panda development for you guys. Let me just show you what Gray Pandas are capable of. Give it a second. You see that? So that's like where your car is. Gray Pandas make super accurate maps. So this is also using parts of OrbSlam. But look at the accuracy of this map. And what's even crazier is this map is 3D. With a Gray Panda and with the camera already in your Eon, we're making maps that are accurate to 10 centimeters. Look, I can zoom in here. These are trees. And then this is what it looks like. Okay, that's being janky, but this is the map. Is the mapping from a DepthNet used for SLAM? No, actually the DepthNet's not integrated into here. So the way that we get depth is using a technique called structure from motion. But yeah, so this is just generated from an Eon route with a Gray Panda. Look at the precision. Look at the accuracy. Now, you can say that, okay, why don't you just use OrbSlam? The problem with just using OrbSlam is you get scale drift from one camera. So what we figured out how to do was incorporate a GPS so you don't get any scale drift. This is a map of our neighborhood created with a Gray Panda and with the camera. So our promise is that we're going to open source our HD maps by the end of the year, so mapping companies should be afraid. Do we combine data from multiple passes? Yeah, sort of, coming soon. But this is where we are right now. That's it finding itself in the map. You're doing an ISEP project, pretty cool. But that's one of the things I wanted to talk about. The other thing that I wanted to talk about was Gray Pandas have arrived. So I know you guys got the Gray Pandas here in the mail. Here's a Gray Panda sitting in an out of stock, debug board. Maybe some of you were sticking these on the windshield. Pretty nice, right? Get that VHB. But here's a Gray Panda. You guys know all this stuff is for sale at shop.comma.ai, or I made it work, comma.ai/shop. Man, so much goes on that I can't talk about. Yo, check out my Augur hoodie. Pretty nice, right? I got a Team 10 hoodie too. Is it my Team 10 hoodie? I bought a Team 10 hoodie. Yeah, I bought a Team 10 hoodie. Yeah. But what up? You can keep secrets? Nah, you can't keep secrets. This is the internet, bro. There's no secrets on the internet. But tell me, what are we going to talk about on Scopie Friday? Yo, the reach outs I get from people are ridiculous. And again, I even feel too bad to what should I do? I should post their ridiculous emails on Twitter and make fun of them? Guys, maybe I'm maturing. Maybe I don't do that. That's terrible. It's really terrible. I always give this advice to everybody. Don't start a company. You need to promote comma.ai with Logan. I'm kind of over Logan Paul. I still really like the Maverick joggers. They're really nice pants. But since Logan Paul came back on YouTube, he's been weak. I'm a PewDiePie fan, though. Yeah. What days are Subaru's banned? Every day, bro. Yeah, props to Greg for that, right? Oh man, but shit went down today, bro. Shit went down. Oh man, check out our checkerboards. You want to calibrate your cameras? You can calibrate your cameras with checkerboards. Look at them. We got a mobile checkerboard and we got a wall checkerboard. Oh yeah, the problems with some of the Toyotas. Apparently they don't have DSUs and they've integrated the DSU in the radar. You guys, you know what? Like, oh man, there's so much we work on now that like we just don't talk about. And it sucks. I mean, it sucks that you have to do this, right? Like now I understand why startups are in stealth mode. But you know, we have some amazing things happening. All compatible with Eons, with Pandas, you know, with all the comma.ai merch. So get on there, guys. We need, you know, buy stuff, man. Buy stuff. It's good. Buy stuff. Go to shop.com.ai. Tell your friends. We should do affiliate marketing for Pandas. That's going to come soon. Let's do affiliate marketing. Yo, you want to be on Scopie Friday?
You can read the whiteboard. I want to make sure there's nothing incriminating.
There's nothing incriminating on the whiteboard. I looked.
Okay.
We're okay.
Showing off Orb Slam?
Well, yeah, showing off Orb Slams and Scopies. Yo. Special, modified Orb Slam. You need help with, I didn't watch that guy's talk. Help with the Toyotas, we can talk about that. And what help does comma.ai need? We're looking for React, we're looking for infrastructure, we're looking for just people who are like, guys, no physics, like no things. You know what I mean? No, it's not about R&D, it's just about bullshit. What are the negative impacts of sharing R&D? Not that many, I don't know. Gotta build hype, you know? Hype. No, we're anti-hype. Oh, I gotta keep that straight. Does openpilot work in Gran Turismo? Why shouldn't you start companies? Bro, I started a company once. I don't know. I mean, I've never had a kid. That might be worse, but I'm just saying, you know? You know that having kids makes people less happy than before they had kids? It's real shit. But yeah, we're looking for React, we're looking for infrastructure, we're looking for social media coordinator. We're not actually looking for social media coordinator. Oh yeah, but no, but honestly, guys, know things. This is my general rant. Like, I look around at the world and I'm always like, how does that shit work? Like little things, like guys. How many bytes on a DVD? See, I thought this was common knowledge. I thought this was just like everybody kind of knows this. I guess not. And it surprises me. It always surprises me. I'm the social media coordinator, that's right. Let's take a look at our beautiful... Look at our map, y'all. High definition maps of the world. See, what you don't see about this is like, okay, you think like, oh, we just took Orb Slam right on the videos. Yeah, you can take Orb Slam and run on the videos, but this stuff is all accurate to 10 centimeters thanks to Gray Panda technology. Gray Panda technology. 4.4 GB. 4.4 GB, you're close. I think it's 4.7. It's not too bad though. What are the black dots? So the red dots are the ones that are currently in view of the camera. It's being really slow. But the black dots, oh, they're just like features. They're like points on the world, right? So you can see like their trees and stuff. Maybe if we turn that off, we can like zoom in somewhere we have lanes. You'll see the lanes. See the lanes? Oops, don't follow camera. This is called Pangolin. It's a piece of open source software. But yeah, you guys see those lanes? Look at those lanes. So each one of those points represents a feature in the world that you can track. How precise is Eon GPS versus Gray Panda? The Gray Panda is about 10 times more precise than the Eon GPS. So yeah, get on there, get your gray pandas, and it's really, I mean, it's not that it's 10 times more precise. It's like 10 times less noisy. It really comes down to the fact that there's an antenna, and the antenna's mounted on the like outside, and not hidden deep inside this phone. It's like 1 meter versus 10 centimeter. Yeah, it's more like 10 meters versus 1 meter. GPS isn't very good. Those are soccer players. I know that. Like the kind that kick the ball around, not the American footballers, man. If you ask me like Tom Brady or Peyton Manning, I might have an opinion, maybe. Peyton Manning's retired, yo. Eli's still around, I think. How much is Gray Panda dependent on weather? It doesn't care. Oh, yo, you guys want to look at the comma tree? Let's go look at the comma tree. In my bathroom. We have a comma tree here. Base Station D. Pretty well. So we're going to release our first stuff that's actually going to let you guys use Gray Pandas in the next Schiffer Plus release coming out Monday. So here's our Gray Panda for our base station. It's our base Gray Panda. Let's connect probably like an Eon over there. Let's see if we can. Oh, look, there's an Eon. Oh, there's a camera in our bathroom. Take a look. Yeah, no, it's expensive, bro. Buy some Gray Pandas. No, but look. Let's go outside. Whoa, look at the comma tree. Let's see, is there a light? Whoa, look at the comma tree. You can't even see it. It's so tall. It's so tall. Smoke time. That's, I think, yeah, that sounds like a plan tonight, right? Let's do that. Yeah, no, it's really tall. You can't even see the top, guys. I don't know how to turn the light on Periscope. Can I do that? Oh, yeah, I think I figured it out. Comma tree is where our GPS antennas are. So they get a really good view of the sky. This is just made out of a 4x4 we bought at the hardware store. I actually scratched the roof of the RAV4 trying to get that home. That's the comma tree. You can see it out there. It's GPS base station for your home. Window here, and it connects right up here to this Gray Panda. Gray Panda. We also have a Trimble receiver too. So we got a Trimble over here. Got Trimble Net RS. Comma Army greater than Logang. Yeah! Logang is not lit anymore. I am over Logang. I am over Logan Paul. I like the pants. I might buy more Maverick joggers, but just because they're very comfortable. When will the tree be for sale? Yo, if we figured out how to ship you guys a tree, check out the jacuzzi in the Comma house, yo! Yo, I don't think anyone's been in that for months. We were thinking about filling it up with balls. But then we realized that Logan Paul already did it. What is bits going on at Comma this week? I don't know. Lots of shit happened this week. We switched. We do sprints now. 2-week sprints. Figure out how to ship 4x4s. Oh, you know what's not fun today? Calling FedEx because my package was late. Don't tolerate that shit. Tell them they gotta get the package on time or you're gonna refuse delivery. All right. This was a good Scopie Friday. The map's still here. Look, the map's still here. It's still there. Yeah, I can show you guys something too. We've been working on moving past Orb Slam. We've been working on our own orb stuff. So it's a little more colorful. Let me just go in here. So this is oh, is this an HD one? Is that why it's not working? Oh, I see why this isn't working. I made the map with a not HD route. This is the new HD camera. Look at that, guys. But now I'll play back a non-HD one. You'll see the difference. So that's like a picture of a full HD one. Wow, it's amazing that it worked at all. Okay, I'm trying to figure out why that wasn't working. But like now, you see the green thing, and it's moving through the space as this moves through the space. Yeah, wait, is this one HD or no? No, not that one. No, don't do that one. Do that one. There we go. So we have this tool called Unlogger, which can replay any of the routes. That's a dongle ID, and that's a route ID. There we go. See, that's not HD. Better? So we're moving through the world. Got all those points up. This is just Orb Snap, but this is not even running in slam mode right now. It's just running in like law mode. because it's doing the law. And it's laggy. It won't be laggy. No one just did it for speed. But look, so you can see it moving through space right there. Whoa, look, it's moving through space. Whoa, it's moving through space. So why is this needed in the first place? To get things really, really precise, right? We don't really, the final system probably won't have maps. The difference in our version of OrbSlam is that everything is actually precise to the real world. So we know where each one of those points are in ECEF coordinates, which are the coordinates that determine a point anywhere on the Earth. Put that hat, but you want to buy this one? I just cleaned this. This is what I did last Friday night. Instead of Scopie Friday, I cleaned my keyboard. Look at how nice and clean it is, man. Pretty nice. But yes, let's go here. We can go in here and follow the camera. Look, we're driving. We're driving, bros. Is there any point in mapping traffic lights or signs? Yeah, we're gonna map them all. Photogrammetry library. This is using parts of OrbSlam 2. And parts of just Python we wrote. Look at how precise it is. And this actually is not a loop closure. So a lot of Slam relies on loop closures. So we actually didn't close a loop just because the route didn't close the loop. No, so this is a fusion of the camera, the GPS, and the IMU. So what is OrbSlam? You can check it out. It's a piece of open source software. It's pretty cool. Check it out. There we go. We're driving. All right. So that's basically what I want to show you guys. Guys, there's so much more stuff that I can't talk about yet, but comma.ai this year, man. This is going to be our year 2018. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It is pretty cool. Shifter plus autofocus and HDR is coming next week. You want to talk about the Toyota problems? The world doesn't change that much, actually. You want to talk about Toyota problems? What are your Toyota problems? About the other radar? I don't know, bros. You're probably going to have to figure out maybe how to change the firmware on the radar, maybe do lateral only. When are HD maps coming out? By the end of the year, we'll have HD maps. Those are soon TM. We'll see. We'll see about the HD maps, but they're going to be good, and they're coming by the end of the year. And mapping companies, be afraid. Be afraid. Be afraid. You know why? Because every time you want to get more maps, you have to buy a car and drive. We have a network of people, all you guys, the comma army, out there improving. This could be anybody's drive. There's nothing special about this drive. Join us or die. That is the theme for 2018. All right, we'll leave a note. Thank you, Scopies, for joining. It's been a great Scopie Friday. I don't think we're ever doing a Scopie Friday again. We'll keep it to Scopie Saturdays and Scopie Sundays. Later. If a major automaker wanted to acquire you, no. Hell no. Do I want to wake up in the morning and work at Toyota? Maybe. Do I want to wake up in the morning and work at Ford? Hell no. Do I want to wake up in the morning and drive a Subaru? No. No, sorry Subaru peoples. I like the power glove. That was funny, whoever posted that in Slack. All right. Thanks, Army. Bye-bye.